All right, today we got this 2006 F250. It's going to get a new track bar drop bracket. This truck has a 2-inch spacer lift on it that you can see right there. You can see the spacer underneath the spring there, the spring perch. So the track bar is a little off now, so we're going to install a track bar drop bracket to try to help it. And while we're at it, we're going to switch out the track bar bushing that's in there. It's the original one, so it's probably pretty worn out, so we'll go ahead and swap that out too. So we'll see how we're doing after this. Let's go. All right, so here we use a 30mm socket with a on a breaker bar, and then we put a 30mm wrench on the other side. Get that bolt loose. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out, see what it looks like. There's that bolt. You can see the track bars in there. Kind of loose, came out pretty easy. That bushing doesn't look too bad, but since we have it out, we might as well swap it out. So now we're going to take out these bolts here. One there, looks like one there, and then 3 up in there. We'll get out here in a minute, see how we're doing. All right, let's go. All right, so we took off the 2 bolts that go here and here. Those were 18mm, and then the 3 they're up in here. You can see right there, those are 21mm. So now the bracket should come out. And there it is. All right, let's see where we go. All right, so here's the difference in these 2 track bar brackets. You can definitely see how the new one from ReadyLift is different to lower that track bar a little better. So that should help with the alignment and also the tracking of the front wheels. So we'll put it in, go from there. All right, let's go. All right, so in order to get the bushing out, I used a ball joint press. You know, the best way to do it is just you take it off and take it to a stand-up press and do it that way. But I wanted to do it like this. That way, for those who don't know how to or don't have a press, you can still do it in your driveway. It might take a little more time, but you can still do it. Just take your patience, take your time, make sure it's lined up straight. It will come out. So I had to use this. I use this adjustable wrench and a cheater bar to give me some leverage because it was something pretty tight, but it let go. So let's see if we can get it out. Okay, so there you go. We have it installed. There's the ReadyLift. Got the track bar put in. We did have to crank it over quite a bit to make it fit, but it did fit. Hopefully that'll take care of the issues we're having with alignment and tire wear and a better ride. Thanks for watching.